Welcome to the first annual Creative Video Challenge Awards. My name is Isaac White and I'll be your host for this most prestigious event. Students from the Entertainment Marketing Program compete throughout the year in Creative Video Challenges, or CVCs, where teams of 2 or more produce short videos based on the creative prompt with a limited production schedule. Our first competitive CVC was The Chase is On, and our winning teams were Allison Ivanek and Brandon Krolovic with their entry, The Chase. Next up was our local Skills USA competition conducted in the spirit of traditional creative video challenge. The prompt was Possession, and the winning team was Jonah Gano and Brandon Krolovic with their entry Revenge of the Chairs. The duo later went on to place second in the Skills USA state competition.
What's wrong? Listen, don't worry, I'm calling for help,
Our next contest was Me, Myself, and I, where students created videos where one actor played more than one character. The winning team was Lexi David, Jonah Gano, Jamarcus Webster, and Jamarcus Webster, with their project also titled Me, Myself, and I.
Howdy, Martin.
Who are you, if you don't mind me asking? I'm myself. I'm here for one thing, man. Who are you?
So it's you they sent. Yeah, they sent me. It's only one thing I'm here for. Who are you? I'm I, and you already know why I'm here. I'm here to take you in. Who are you?
I'm me.
No, I'm me.
No, I'm me.
But how can you be me if I'm me?
I don't know.
But I'm me. So you're not me.
I'm me.
No.
Yes. Oh, thank God that was just a dream.
Our last CVC of the year was Out of Place, where a character finds himself in an unusual or unexpected situation. The winning project was Freddy Foam Fiasco, featuring students Lucy Banks, Damian Cameron, and Aaron Johnson.
Really good for some coffee.
Morning, Doug. Got you a piping hot cup of Fred.
Thanks, but don't you mean Joe?
Well, whatever suits your fancy, I guess.
Oh, what is wrong with this coffee?
Nothing's wrong with it. That's Freddy Foam, the foamiest foam that ever foamed. Are you tired of using the same old soap? Are you looking for a way to spice up your day? Well, don't fret, for Freddy Foam is here.
Who are you talking to?
Try it!
Warning, potential side effects include but are not limited to excessive mustache growth, dry and itching skin, memory loss, headache, nausea, vomiting, death, dizziness, lycanthropy, blindness, dental deterioration, and memory loss. Freddy Foam Incorporated takes no responsibility for any symptoms that may occur. Whipping it.
Congratulations to all winning teams. This concludes the first annual Creative Video Challenge Awards. I've been your host, Isaac White. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Red Devil Productions for all future releases from the Entertainment Marketing Program. And now it's time for the after party.